Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So today we're back with another Tech Tuesday, and we're talking about the CR6 Max 3D printer. Again, make sure you do like and subscribe to these videos because we'll send out notifications when there's any new up and coming, the Tech Tuesdays, whether it be 3D printing or if it's editing, whatever it may be that you guys are interested in. We always try to put out some of these helpful tip videos besides the other segments that Brian and I put out there. So what we're going to be talking about today is the MKX upgrade for the CR6 Max. Now, of course, this upgrade you can put on a lot of the 3D printers as well, but we just kind of wanted to let you know this is on our CR6 Max, and the question that we had in the comments on one of our previous videos is about tightening the screws in these when you get them, and or even on your previous or other extruder new ones that whenever you need to replace those. So you can buy a torque wrench for these, and there are torque specs for these, but believe me, it's a waste of money to purchase that little torque wrench to get those torque specs set right. Now, if it's like building a race car engine or baking, then of course you want to have the exact torque specs correct for something like that. But something as small as this, and is something as easy as just taking the Allen key and then just tightening it. Once it gets snug, then you just tighten it maybe like a quarter to maybe halfway around again, and that should be tight enough. Just do it to all four of the screws. The good thing is the stepper motor is complete steel. It's not like this gear that's brass, and if you tighten the Allen key screws that tighten the gear on, you can strip this out very easily because it's very delicate. That's why these are notched, but we'll talk about that in another segment. But this will help your questions in regards just to these screws. We'll talk later in the next one about the screw here as far as the tension spring for the filament. This will be in the filament segment, and we'll show you some of that in the next segment. But we hope this helps in regards with the screws. Again, I'll repeat it. Just make sure it's tight, snug until this doesn't move anymore. And then once you feel it not moving, if you take your hand and you kind of move like this and it moves just a little bit, then that's when you take it and tighten maybe a quarter of a turn and or half a turn, and then do that to all the rest of the screws in there. So once you've done that, you should be good to go, and it should be tight enough. And we'll see you on the next video.